In this video, I'll show you how to start a business using Facebook Marketplace step by step. First, sign into Facebook and open Marketplace from the main menu. Before listing products, decide what you want to sell and research similar listings to understand prices and customer demand. Next, click Create New Listing and choose the appropriate listing type. Add clear photos, a descriptive title, the price, product condition, and a detailed description. Choose the correct category and location, then review the listing carefully before publishing it. When customers contact you through Marketplace, respond quickly and provide clear information about availability, payment, pickup, or delivery. Keep track of your sales, expenses, and customer orders so you can understand your profit and manage your business properly. For safety, follow Facebook's commerce policies and use secure payment and meeting methods. As your business grows, you can use a Facebook page, Instagram, and Meta Business Suite to promote your products and manage customer messages. That's how you can start building a business using Facebook Marketplace. If you found this video helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more easy Facebook and business tutorials. Thanks for watching.